Okay, today we're working on this snowblower. It's a Cub Cadet 524T, and the issue it's having is when you turn on the fuel, you can see it starts to build up here and eventually starts dripping. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace that with a new shutoff valve, and that should fix the problem. Now I brought along a drip pan, so when you disconnect the lines, the fuel goes in here, and it's real simple. There's just a couple clamps on here, so we'll detach that, let it drop down into the pan, and then we'll disconnect the other side and put on the new piece. Now this is the new fuel valve. You can see it's on, and I did put more gas in it, and you can see there's no drip. The hardest part about this job is if you're going to use the old fuel lines, it takes a little persuasion to get them off and put the new fuel valve on. So that's probably where the most headache's going to come from. So yeah, that's fixed, simple, real easy, and anyone can do it. Thanks for watching.